Yo guys, I just want to tell you something, no? I'm playing this game. Okay, all the codes is done, all the codes. Just by number 6. Look at this. Look at the jump. Look. Bombo clot. Bombo clot. Bombo rush clot. Look, how can I get there? Look. Bombo clot. Ow! If you guys have, if you guys ever played this game, please help me. Look, okay. Shit. No. Oh my days. Nah, man. Look, I'm literally struggling. Look. If you guys have any ways, if I can get there to finish the level, please tell me. Oh my days. Nah, bruh. Listen, if you have tips or suggestions, oh my days, I can't even stop, right? If you guys have any, my days, if you guys have any tips on getting there on this rum, please, it would mean the world to me to finish this level. Back from. Fuck this game. But if you guys just can tell me how to get there, please help. Please.